to your project. Here we receive the response in the console. I don't show in the console. Okay. So my requirement is that when I submit that record, my record is added and get back to me the response from the backend response, that is the record is added successfully. That when I receive the response, I have to navigate to our home component and not present in that. Right now my current status is present on that add employee component. Okay, so I want to change my state. When we submit the record, get the response, I have to navigate directly to your home component. Okay, right now if you see here, Hamid is added the record. Okay, and the today's date. So I have to perform that functionality. Okay, so to implement such type of functionality, what we have to do in our component file? I don't understand requirement, what I require. Everybody?
Yes, Sumit.
Yes, Sumit.
Okay. So how we can implement? I want to, once I receive a response, I have to navigate to your home component. So what type of code I have to return here?
This.router.navigate.
Router.navigate. Yes, correct. But where we have to write?
Inside subscribe.
Inside the subscribe. Correct. Very good. So first we have to create a dependency injection, because I have to do a programmatically routing. I don't use any static routing or router link. I have to do the programmatically. So can here add first a dependency, that is a private router dependency. Okay. After that, when I receive a response, I received response in a subscribe method. Okay. I just comment out the console.log because we know that the response is received. So when the response is received, I have to navigate. I have to directly navigate this dot router dot navigate method. In that navigate method, the first argument is an array. We use array. 0th index, we have to mention the path, that is the home. Okay, and we can send that to our home component. Okay, now cross check whether it is working correctly or not. I just create a new employee and just select that. I enter the name. So I enter the name as Lokesh. Lokesh Raj. Fine. Then employee phone number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Department we have to use, for example, we use IT department. And status, initially we can make it as inactive. Okay, just for the sake of record. And okay, we give the country USA. When we submit, see here, the response is getting and it navigates directly home component. The record is added here. Location, whatever the data is, IT, inactive, today's date, okay, and country is also added. Okay, get these things, everybody.